Leo, who's that on the bed?
Baby.
Baby? And what's her name?
Ashana.
Alexandra? Leo, and wait, what are these things that the baby has?
Hand.
Hands? Do you want to give the baby a kiss?
Taco.
Do you want to go give the baby a kiss, Leo?
Oh, give Alexandra, your sister, a kiss. She'll love that.
Kiss.
Kiss. Give baby kiss.
Baby kiss.
Aww. Oh. That's nice, Leo. I think she really likes it when you give her kisses. You're a good big brother, Monkey. Oh, that's really sweet. You're a good brother, Leo.